How to share Spotify Lite songs on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually share the Spotify Lite applications to your Snapchat account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Maybe you want to send a Spotify song as a snap to someone. All you have to do is, in this case, I'm just using the Spotify Lite app, not the Spotify, because the tutorial is made for Spotify Lite only. But you can repeat the process even if you're using the Spotify app. So once I basically open up my Spotify Lite, I'll just select a specific song here. Then I'll just tap the three dots of this playlist or maybe of this song. Then here I'll find the share icon from the bottom. I just need to tap on the share icon here, and then here you'll most likely find Snapchat from the bottom, because if you scroll, if you don't find it, you can tap on the more button to do so, and then just look for this Snapchat icon. Then tap on Snapchat. Then once you tap on Snapchat here, all you need to do is just go ahead and then actually select to whom do you want to send the snap. So just select the person that you want to send the snap to, and then just select the send button over here. And then once you've done that, your snap will be actually successfully sent with this specific Spotify song that you've set. And this is simply how you can actually send a song on Spotify or share it from Spotify Lite to Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.